সুপ্রভিয়াস আসসালামু আলাইকুম। মৃধা মিডিয়ার পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে অনেক, অনেক শুভেচ্ছা এবং স্বাগতম। সুপ্রভিয়াস আজকে যে নিউজটি শেয়ার করব সেটা হচ্ছে অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ নিউজ। আপনারা জানেন যে বাংলাদেশের স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্রী এখন লন্ডনে রয়েছেন। তিনি বিভিন্ন স্থানে সভা সমাবেশ করে যাচ্ছেন এবং গতকালকে ছিল চমৎকার একটি অনুষ্ঠান, সেটা হচ্ছে হাউস অব কমন্সে। সেখানে অল পার্টি মেম্বার সহ বিভিন্ন দলের অর্থাৎ লেবার, কনজারভেটিভ এবং বিভিন্ন দলের নেতৃত্বে উপস্থিত ছিলেন। সেই সাথে ছিলেন এনএসএসের কর্মকর্তারা, সেই সাথে বিভিন্ন অন্যান্য সংগঠন নেতৃবৃন্দরা উপস্থিত ছিলেন। সেই উপস্থিতিতে সাইদা মোনা তাসলিম অর্থাৎ হাই কমিশনার সাইদা মোনা তাসলিমের নেতৃত্বে সেখানে সেই আলোচনা সভাটি অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। সেখানে বিভিন্ন দিক দিয়ে আলোচনা করা হয় এবং সেই সাথে বাংলাদেশ থেকে কিভাবে নার্স আনা যায় এবং সেই বিষয়গুলি এখানে তুলে ধরা হয়েছে। এখন এই সবার আলোচনার মাধ্যমে সুস্পষ্টভাবে ফুটে উঠেছে যে আগামী তে যে প্রজেক্টগুলো হবে সেই প্রজেক্টের অন্যতম হবে বাংলাদেশ থেকে এখানে প্রশিক্ষণের মাধ্যমে নার্স আনা। সেই নার্স আনার অপার সম্ভাবনা সৃষ্টি হয়েছে। সেই আলোচনার অংশবিশেষ আপনারা দেখুন। সুপ্রিয় ভিউয়ার্স, মৃধা মিডিয়ার সাথে থাকুন।
I think often countries focus a little bit. There is a lot of medics in this room, so I am going to sit on the medics.
Thank you. Would you just encapsulate in 1 minute that what program the University of Salford is doing for Bangladesh nurses?
So we've
Give
got
me an example.
So one of there's two issues. One of the things we started to do is to do master classes with Bangladeshi nursing academics to upskill the academics so they can upskill their nurse force. And the sustainability is really embedded in the approach. And the second thing we're doing is sort of welcoming. We've got scholarships for Bangladeshi nurses, qualified nurses to come across to us to do their masters in nursing. So they we had 3 last year, and this year we're welcoming 12 nurses from Bangladesh. So we really want to build that cohort. So again, those nurses go back as nurse leaders and sort of help develop the cohorts in Bangladesh.
Thank you.
One thing I was told, if Bangladeshi nurses come here,
Yeah.
do you think that they can work or they need some permission or something like that here?
So there's 2 ways so they can.
I need hands-on training, which is there. Is it possible to hands-on training by Bangladeshi nurses in UK?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. They've got the master's course that they can come and do. Yeah, absolutely.
After the masters, they can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
So
Before I give the floor to
Non-communicable disease. And if we're going to talk about SDGs, which I know is everybody's focus, I have to tell you that I think your nursing workforce is a huge solution for you. But of course, there is the workforce planning. Now, I think the collaboration that's just been outlined to you is super important. And I think, not one university in the UK, I suspect, could assist, but I think collaboratively, I think you would find partnerships openly and willingly wanting to work with you on this, because we see it. I mean, there is a crisis in nursing globally, so it's part of the global response to build the nursing workforce. So I think we could do that in partnership, obviously with Bangladesh we would. And in terms of what my colleagues have said, there are multiple routes that nurses can come in for hands-on training, as you say, excellent, so they can actually directly apply as a foreign student to come to our universities. And we have visas, we have CAS arrangements, we can do that, and we are actually trying to make those passages much, much easier for people. But they can also come as graduates. And we would be very happy in master classes and leadership courses, and I certainly reflect the opinion that sustainability has to happen back at home.
Yes.
So ultimately I think bringing people here is a great idea, and of course we would hope they would go back.
Train them and go back.
Train and then go back and
That's
offer
exactly what-
pathways to make that really visible and transparent, so people can see that they're not just exiting the country, but they're actually going back in with the skills. Thank you.
My colleagues at Salford will prepare to do that. And the mayor of Greater Manchester is created this Bangladesh board. I chair on his behalf. He's very happy to visit Greater Manchester, to visit class facilities they have, and actually discuss how we can take the current arrangement to another level. So we are very happy, Your Excellency, your Honourable Health.
Salford, the other one was Walton. Walton, and we signed 2 MOUs with these 2 universities. At that point, what the health secretary, we decided is that we must have Royal College of Nursing have a recognized curricula for nursing undergrads in Bangladesh. and I hope we can work on that. But thank you for saying all the pathways.
Maybe it's little bit relaxed 6 point. Secondly, I update to you, one caregiver company, top caregiver company visit Bangladesh, and we did several meetings, and in principle they agreed to bring a caregiver, and under their guidance we have started caregiver training. Number third, you'll be happy to know that more than 50 doctors from UK and Europe, they went to Bangladesh and they served the poor people, and they shared their expertise and knowledge with our health professional. It was a great thing. And next month 7th, we will sign agreement. They will set up a special heart, cardiac unit, world-class cardiac unit at Molavi Bazar, my hospital. It's a great news. Next month, July.
Overseas. So what our charity CLEP is trying to do is to help build a multidisciplinary cleft centre in Sheikh Hasina National Institute with the help of Shan and his colleagues.
Healthcare and NHS. So
High Commissioner Sadia Munad Tansim, pleased to meet Bangladesh, India, UK, fellow doctors, scientists, experts.
practitioners, and we have from all different kinds of universities, from University of Oxford for AMR. Yesterday, the health minister visited the Oxford Vaccine Centre. The idea is our Prime Minister has tasked him with her vision that Bangladesh will host our own public vaccine manufacturing facility, and he's over